Sitting in the car. You can't tell the distance outside the car. Today I'll tell you how to know what's going on outside your car while you're sitting in it. First, when you park your car in front of the street, keep your eyes on the rear view mirror. Stare at the rear view mirror. When the lower edge of the rear view mirror and the lower edge of the street steps coincide, immediately apply the brakes. At this time the distance is just 30 centimeters. Secondly, when turning a corner in front of the road steps, we just keep an eye on the front hood. When the front hood coincides with the top edge of the road step, the distance is about 3 meters. Whether our steering wheel is full to the left or full to the right can be safe to pass. Thirdly, turning a corner in front of a parked car. As long as our hatch is not more than half of the front tires, steering wheel to the end of the left or right can be safe to pass. Fourth, when parking on the side, let's keep an eye on the wiper bar. When the lever just coincides with the road step back to the steering wheel, the distance is just 30 centimeters. Fifth, when there is a car in front of you, keep an eye on the front hood, the hood edge and the front bumper when the lower edge of the bumper, and then stop the car. The distance is 1 meter. When you exit the garage, steering wheel to the left full. You can pass safely. Sixth, when crossing the width limit pier, we just keep an eye on the left side of the steering wheel. When it and the pier into a straight line, can safely pass. Finally, when driving out of a parking space, when the driver's shoulder passes the vehicle next to him, you can pass safely, no matter how you turn the wheel. Have you learned it? Follow me to learn more about cars.